Nestled in small, unsuspecting town, there stood a quaint little restaurant called the Haunted Fork. It had been a local favorite for decades, known for its delicious cuisine and cozy atmosphere. However, beneath its charming exterior, a dark secret lurked. Legend had it that the restaurant was built up in an ancient burial ground, where restless spirits roamed freely. The owners, oblivious to the paranormal activity, continued to run the establishment as usual, unaware of the horrors that awaited them. One stormy night, a group of friends decided to dine at the Haunted Fork. As they entered, a chill ran down their spines, and an eerie silence enveloped the room. The air felt heavy, as if unseen eyes were watching their every move. Ignoring their discomfort, they took their seats and ordered their meals. As the night progressed, strange occurrences began to unfold. Cutlery would inexplicably fly off the tables, glasses shattered into pieces without any human contact, and whispers echoed through the empty corridors. The once delicious aroma of food turned foul, leaving a putrid stench in the air. The friends' laughter turned into fearful whispers as they noticed shadowy figures darting across the room. Their hearts pounded in their chests as they realized they were not alone. Panic set in as one by one, they were separated from each other by an unseen force. In the kitchen, pots and pans clanked together violently, creating a cacophony of terror. The chef, paralyzed with fear, watched in horror as knives levitated in midair, swirling around him menacingly. The walls seemed to close in on him, trapping him in a nightmarish reality. Meanwhile, in the dining area, the friends desperately tried to escape the clutches of the vengeful spirits. Doors slammed shut, locking them inside the haunted restaurant. Their screams for help went unanswered, drowned out by the haunting laughter of the apparitions. As the night wore on, the restaurant transformed into a labyrinth of terror. The once cozy booth became twisted and contorted, trapping anyone who dared to venture near. The walls oozed with an otherworldly slime, and the floor seemed to shift beneath their feet. Finally, as dawn broke, the spirit grew restless and retreated into the shadows, leaving behind a trail of destruction and traumatized survivors. The friends stumbled out of the Haunted Fork, vowing never to return to that cursed place again. From that day forward, the Haunted Fork remained abandoned, its doors forever closed to the living. Locals whispered stories of the horrors that unfolded within its walls, warning others to steer clear of the cursed establishment. The town had learned a valuable lesson. Some secrets are best left undisturbed, especially when they involve a restaurant built upon the resting place of vengeful spirits. Thanks to all the listeners. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe my channel, like the video, and write your comments.